Hello everyone, welcome to Mobilemaths. Today I want us to look at standard form 2, where we are going to be expressing the following numbers as decimal fractions. So I've got 3 or 4 examples here that I want us to do. So I'm going to use two methods there. So the first method that I'm going to use, we can have our number there. That number 9 times 10 to the power of minus 4. If we want to rewrite this number, is the same as 9 over 10 to the power of minus 10 to the power of 4 there, like that. So this 10 to the power of 4, we can write it in simpler form and have it as 9 over 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. We count the fours that the power that we are using our 10, or we are raising our 10. That's the number of zeros that we have. Now that I have that, I can simply divide 9 divided by 10,000 there. What do we get? I'll get 0.0009. I'm counting the number of zeros there. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. Which are these 4 there. So that's what we do. Then I can have another method. So I'm going to have method number 2 using the same question. So for my method number 2 now, it's simple for me, and I think maybe someone can learn from this. Let me show you what I do. When I have a negative power like this, I do this. I know it's going to be 0 point something. Now because it's going to be 0 point something, and remember the shifting method that I taught you on the previous video, I'm going to shift my comma there to get to minus 4 there 4 times. So I can say 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to 9. Meaning to say my 9 is here. My 9 is here. Because it's 9 there. So all these positions are zeros. Like that. So that's what I do when I'm using this other method. It might be difficult for you in this scenario, so you can either use method number 1 or method number 2. Let's go on and do question number 2 there. I've got 9.4 times 10 to the power of minus 4. We can write it. I think we are going to use fraction method first. So for our fraction method, we are going to have this as 9.4 over 10 to the power of 4. The negative is gone because we have written it over, so it's now a positive there. Now we can rewrite this in terms of the 10 to the power of 4. What do we get? We get 9.4 over 1, 0, 2, 3, 4 zeros there. And now we are going to divide 9.4 divided by 10,000. We will get 0.00094. So that's what we do. Then the other method then that I was talking about, where we consider the 0 point, I say 0 point. I'm going to shift to 4 positions going this side. So I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I go to 4, we said that that's where we are going to have our 9, comma, then we have our 4 there. Then all these other positions I'm going to fill up with zeros. Like that. So it's going to be 0.0094. Let's have another example. This one, we start with the fraction method. Rewriting this 5.3 times 10 to the power of minus 7 is the same as 5.3 over 10 to the power of 7. The negative has been taken care of by the division sign there. Then now writing our 10 to the power of 7 in terms of number, not power, we get 5.3 over 1. We've got 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Okay, like that. Now we divide 5.3 divided by all these zeros. You find out you get 0.0000000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 7. There we have 7. Then I have my 5, 3 there. Okay, like that. Okay, the division is going to be long, whereby you'll be saying this whole number into 5, we get 0 point, into 53 we get 0 point, into 530 we get 0, into 5 what we get 0, into 5 we add zeros, and that's how we are getting this number. Okay, let's go on to the last method that I use. I said when we have do the power of -7 there, what I simply do is that I go and say 0 point. I count the number of positions that I move to go to 5.3. I move 7 positions going that direction. So I'll move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then where I have my 7 there, I'll write 5 and 0.3 there. Okay, like that. Then all these spaces I will fill up with zeros there. Okay, like that. So this is what I do, and it's also giving me the same correct, because you find out these questions, they come up in paper 1 question papers, where you need only two you need to answer in less than a minute, because the marks, it will be 1 mark. Okay, so you should use simpler method. Okay guys, bye bye, let's meet in the next video.